Autonomous cargo drones are transforming modern logistics, providing efficient transport solutions where traditional methods are limited. As e-commerce expands and the need for rapid, flexible cargo transportation grows, UAVs like the TP1000 are playing a crucial role in reducing reliance on conventional transport. The TP1000 is a fixed-wing autonomous cargo drone designed for medium-range transportation. With a length of 10.97 meters, a wingspan of 14.93 meters, and a height of 4.19 meters, it can carry up to 1,000 kilogram of cargo over a range of 1,800 kilometers. Its 7 cubic meters cargo bay supports a variety of shipments, making it ideal for regional logistics, emergency response, and deliveries to hard-to-reach areas. The rear cargo bay is designed to accommodate standard pallets, ensuring seamless integration into existing transport systems. The drone also features precision airdrop capabilities, which are essential for humanitarian aid, disaster relief, and remote area deliveries. Designed with mission flexibility in mind, the TP1000 can be equipped with either a piston or a turboprop engine, allowing it to adapt to different operational needs, including high-altitude flights. This versatility extends its applications beyond cargo transportation, making it suitable for maritime surveillance, scientific research, resource monitoring, and regional infrastructure projects. Several competing models exist in the market. The HH-100 from Tengdan Industries offers a 700 kg payload with a longer 2,000 km range, prioritizing reach over cargo capacity. The carbon monohydride YH-1000 from Aerospace CH-UAV Co. Limited matches the TP1000's 1,000 kg payload but operates at a higher ceiling of 8,000 meters with over 10 hours of endurance, making it particularly suited for long-duration missions in challenging conditions. The future of fixed-wing UAVs is rapidly evolving, with advancements in hybrid designs incorporating vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) technology. By merging the advantages of multirotor and fixed-wing aircraft, these next-generation drones eliminate the need for runways while maintaining high-speed efficiency, further expanding the possibilities for autonomous cargo transport.